Cinemadrome Meta Movie Universe. Cinemadrome Movie Metaverse. The Cinemadrome Metaverse is the first company to create a complex ecosystem based on blockchain technology for the new world. Cinemadrome 3.0 and VR Hollywood based on AI movie. Private sale round for the MBA's token. Private sale on price 3 cent complete. Private sale to 5 cent complete. Private sale to price 7 cent started. Total collected as a of hard cap $50,000. IDO round for the MBA's token started of pre-sale of Movicast token already shown. IDO pre-sale 1 price 8 cent. IDO pre-sale 2 price 1 cent. IDO pre-sale 3 price 15 cent. Listing price on SEX DEX exchange is a 0.3 USDT per MBA's October. The crypto asset for Metaverse Cinemadrome. Movie production with AI movie. With AI movie, create your own movie master price or any video about yourself or your business and make money from it. You vision what to life. Breaking fantastic occasion thriller. Shuffle adventure action thriller. Virtualization storyboard. The fantastic thriller Breaking by the NFT movie token received triple benefits. Return 200% of the money in Matic is